Hello, I'm Nicola. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple cartoon hand. So you need a pencil, a rubber and a black pen. So first of all, we're going to draw a guide to make it easier to draw. So what we need is a straight line like that, and then a circle on the end, sketching it. So it's sort of in the middle of that line. There you go. Can you see that okay on there? I think you can. Right. Now we need, around here, we need a line going up and slightly diagonal. Sorry, I will just do that a little bit darker for you. And then here, so it's not quite at the top, it's around here. We're going to draw a longer line this time, going diagonal. And then we're going to have another line here, a similar size to that one. And then down here, I'm going to draw a smaller line. So you can start to sort of see that it's starting to look like a hand. Well, as I said, there are the guidelines. So I'm going to do the next bit now. I'll let you look at that first. So next bit, I'm going to draw around this guideline. Try and get the shape of the thumb. Turn your hand over if you like and have a look at the shape of your hand. And it should help to visualise. So you can see this bit here is just the palm of your hand. That's why I've drawn this little line here. And then we're going to come from here. We're going to come in and then out. Draw that finger in. Like that. Join it onto the circle. Next finger. Start. Joint onto that finger. I'm going to go around. Don't matter if you make mistakes right now, because I'm going to make mistakes and I'm going to rectify them at the end. This is just your sketching. Doing it in pencil. Nothing to worry about. Right, let's see. So next stage, I'm going to draw the wrist and then I'll tell you the next stage. A very important stage. Don't rush on. I'm going to draw the wrist. It's going to come from around there. So, as I was saying, an important stage now. Take a look at what you've drawn. Have a look. Does it look right? Do you need to alter? I'm altering mine, because the little finger needs to be a little bit smaller. So I'm altering mine now, and that one. There we go. I like that better. You know, making mistakes isn't always a bad thing. You just got to take some time and be patient and check. So, right. Now I'm happy with my outline. I can get rid of the guideline. There we go. That's the guideline. We want that because that's the palm of your hand. So we want to keep that line. Get rid of this. Like that. Oh, it's starting to look good now, isn't it? There we go. So, get rid of all this here. It's more like a cartoony hand. No, a lot of cartoonists use 3 fingers. No, I like the way it looks, and also it's easier. So if you're drawing a cartoon character and you want to keep drawing it over and over and over again, drawing 3 fingers, say you're doing a children's book like I do my children's books, I always use 3, I tend to use 3 fingers because it's easier than a thumb. Hands are not easy to draw. So, right. So now all we need to do is check it once again. Are you happy? Do you like it? I want to put my little finger more coming out there like that. I'm not happy with that little bit. Keep checking it. There. Right, and now I can go over. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I can go over that. So, next, get your pen, your black pen, and in fact, I think I might make my thumb a bit more inwards, a little bit more like that. There we go, I prefer that. I'll do my last check. Yep, I'm going to draw the lines in now with the black felt. Take your time. Around the finger. Just take it nice and easy. You don't want to make mistakes at this stage. It's easy to slip. Turn your paper. I would turn my paper now like that, because it's easier for me to. My wrist gets funny angle. So like that. There we go. We now have a cartoon hand. So if you want to know how to draw different hands, I will be doing more tutorials. So subscribe to my channel and you'll get a little notification when I upload new videos. I will also put the links in the description of all the hand videos that I do as I've done them. You will find in my playlist, I will also put this down in the bottom as well, you will find a drawing course which has got over 80 now. Different draw-alongs and drawing tutorials on there. So you might want to take a look at that. So there are things like animals in there. I've done some famous cartoons in there as well. So take a look and feel free to send me a message if you would like to me to showcase your pictures on my Facebook group, or comment below if you want me to do a tutorial on something that you're struggling with, and I'll see if I can help. So if you've enjoyed this video, if it helps you, give it a thumbs up. I will do thumbs up, shall I? I'll do that as a hand, that's a good one. And thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time.